Okay, so here's what I want your Module 5 assignment to look like. This is the assignment that we're going to be uploading a total of 4 images to your new website, okay? So first of all, you'll need to create a folder structure as described in the assignment instructions. And then you're going to be creating images as you see here, as well as this index file for Module 5 assignment. Okay, so your Module 5 assignment index file should have a level 1 header at the top, then it should have a level 2 header, and then I want a paragraph of text that tells me in about 4 to 5 sentences where your photos came from, how you edited them, and how you have posted them to your site. So again, I expect about 4 to 5 sentences here which explain the process that you went through in your own words. So don't just copy back to me the assignment steps. I want to hear in your own words what you have done in order to complete this assignment, okay? Now we take a look at the thumbnail images that are here. You see 2 thumbnail images, okay? The first one is owned by me, and this will be true for the thumbnail image that you post here on the left as well. It's going to be image 01. That's the name of this image, and that should be the name that you use as well. And you don't have to choose the same image from my Flickr account, but just choose one of those. And you're going to have to add this text stamp somewhere using one of the photo editing pieces of software that I've directed you to. So use one of those pieces of software for free and put this text by Katie Pala at Flickr on the photo, okay? Because you're attributing the photo to me. I own the copyright and you're giving me credit for that, okay? The second photo on the right is going to be a photo. In your case, it'll be a photo that you've taken or that you've created. So you will own the copyright and you don't need to attribute it to me like I have here on this one. So your image here, everyone will have a different image, either a photo that you took, a photo that you have taken at some point, or maybe some kind of drawing, a GIF image that you've created, okay? This one should be a JPEG. This image on the right is going to be either a GIF, a JPEG, or a PNG file, whichever you guys deem appropriate for the image that you're using. Alright? So again, this image that you own the copyright for won't need any kind of text stamp here which attributes it to me or to you, because you own the copyright and you're going to be posting it. Okay, let's take a closer look at these thumbnail images. So these are both 180 pixels by 135 pixels. So they're the same size. And you'll notice that as I hover my mouse over them, I get a nice little pop-up window here with a description, a zebra at the San Diego Zoo. And the same thing for this one, crossing the Golden Gate Bridge. I want your thumbnail images to do the same. Okay, so we have covered this. It's actually in your textbook. It might be in this chapter 5. It might be in a previous chapter. How to get those little titles to pop up there. Okay, so see if you can find that as well. Now, what happens when I click my image? I click my zebra and I get a bigger version of the same image. Okay, so this is actually the folder that's in my images file, my images folder, and I get a bigger version of that same image. I can go back to my index file here, click on Golden Gate Bridge, and again I get a bigger version of the Golden Gate Bridge image. Okay, and I can go back here as well. Okay, so those 2 big images that we were looking at are both saved in my images folder. These guys are both saved in my thumbnails folder. Okay? This is how I want your Module 5 assignment index page to look. And then, of course, I'm going to be checking the specifications that you see here, as well as that your links work to bigger versions of the same photos. Okay, guys? Good luck!